How to automatically save photos from WhatsApp to Camera Roll. First is by opening your WhatsApp and then go to your settings found on the lower right corner of the screen. Once you're right here, what you're going to do is to click on Chats right here, which is the third option on this section. Click on Chats, and then on the second option, you may see Save to Camera Roll. Simply hit the toggle button found on the rightmost corner and make sure to click on Allow Access to All Photos right here. And then, once the toggle button has turned into green, then that signifies that all the photos coming in will be automatically saved to your camera roll. So again, you need to go to your settings, go to chats, click on the toggle button and save to camera roll and turn it on. So that's it. That's how you can automatically save photos from WhatsApp to camera roll.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.